The measurement tool may be found in the drop-down menu under the Tools tab, or by navigating to the left ribbon and selecting the measurement icon. It's best practice to check the scale and calibrate as necessary prior to beginning using the measurement tools. So I can tell down here underneath the footing plan that the scale is set at 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. However, seeing that the plan was printed on a 17 by 11 rather than a 34 by 22, that indicates to me that this plan has been drawn at half scale, which means I should set the scale to 1/8 inch equals 1 foot. So let me go ahead and select 1/8 inch equals 1 foot. And now I'm going to select my precision to be 1 inch because that is the smallest dimension that is used on this sheet. And I'm going to do the same thing in this untitled block. I'm going to check 1/8 inch equals 1 foot. And I'm going to click to the right here and open up to change the precision to 1 inch. And then I'm going to select apply. I can confirm this scale by selecting the length tool and clicking on a known dimension. So I can see right here that this is 42 feet from the outside pile to the far right pile. So it's going to click on that, and then I'm going to stretch it across, and yes, it is 42 feet. I could also click on from the intersection of the two layout lines to the corner of the footing, or take any other measurement length on this entire sheet. Another cool feature is this poly length. The poly length allows you to measure the perimeter of a regular shape or of an irregular shape. Let's go ahead and measure this footing perimeter. So I'm going to start on the upper left corner, stretch it down, come over to the right, come up top, and come back to the starting point and click on it, and I can see that the perimeter of this footing is 112 feet. Another tool is this area tool. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and stretch from the one corner down to the other corner and bring it across to the far right, come up to the top, and it lets me know that this footing is 460 square feet. I can also zoom in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and measure the diameter next of this pile right here. So zoom in so I can actually snap to it. Right here is the diameter tool up here in this upper ribbon. Select it. I'm going to click on the outer edge, stretch it across, and snap to it. And yes, it is 2 feet. Let's come back and zoom back out. All right. The next item is the angle tool. This allows me to measure skews. So let's go ahead and check this skew. It looks like it's 90 degrees, but we can confirm it. So snap down here. If the skew line was here, I could see that that would be 70 degrees coming all the way down here to 90 degrees for this footing. The other tool that's available in the measurements is the volume tool. So I'm going to go ahead and select the depth of this footing to be 3 feet. And then I'm going to snap from one corner down to the other corner, stretch it across, come back up, and I can see that it is going to be 1,379 cubic feet. However, I don't want my measurement to be in cubic feet. I want it to be in cubic yards. So I'm going to select cubic yards here, and it changes it to 51 cubic yards.